Welcome to my channel. The single crochet is the most basic stitch, yet it's the one that trips up most beginners. Do you ever notice your fabric curling or your piece starting to lean? That's almost always down to mistakes with your edge stitches, the first and last stitches of the row. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to create a perfectly straight and square single crochet swatch. Grab your 2.5mm hook and some yarn. We're going to demystify the turning chain and finally nail how to count your stitches. First, make a slip knot and then a foundation chain. I'm going to chain 10 for this demo. Remember, this number, 10, will be your stitch count for every row from here on out. To start row 1, we need to insert our hook into the second chain from the hook. Skip that first chain right next to your hook. Next, tip your hook, yarn over and pull a loop through just like this. Then, yarn over one last time and pull through both loops on your hook. That's your first single crochet complete. Now, just single crochet into every chain stitch remaining across the row. When you reach the end of row 1, here's a tip. We're not going to chain to get the height for the next row. Instead, we're just going to turn our work immediately. You need to go right into the first stitch of the row you just finished, which is the stitch directly below your hook. Pro tip for newbies: put a stitch marker right into that very first single crochet of every single row. It's a foolproof way to make sure you never miss it when you turn back around. The crucial moment. This is where everyone gets confused. When you work all the way to the end of the row, double check that you've put a stitch into the very last stitch of the row before. That's the first single crochet you made in the previous row, or the one with the marker. The final check. Take a look at the top of that last stitch. It should have a clean, full V shape. If you skip it, you're going to lose a stitch and your work will start to taper. You did it! Keep practicing this and you'll get these nice, straight, professional-looking edges every time. Now that you've got this technique down, check out my next videos and let's tackle our first project together. Maybe we'll start with a cute coaster. Don't forget to subscribe and drop me a comment below to let me know how your swatch turned out.